Hi guys, my name is Bon. Today I'm going to explain the functions that are available in Octopus Therapy 2. So a lot of people they wonder if you don't have this tool, you wonder uh, should I buy this tool or not? But I would like to tell everybody who's watching this tutorial and using cell phone repairing, with flashing, using cell phone flashing and locking to make sure that you have this tool. So that's my first advice to you. You need to have octopus therapy 2. You don't have one. So what are the functions of octopus therapy 2? Number one, octopus therapy 2 does remove FRP 2 more than any other box that is available in the market. That's the first thing that I want to speak about. Then the second thing is octopus FRP 2 also allow resets of phone. It does it more than any other box that is also available in the market. And then also number three, octopus FRP2 allows flashing of a cell phone. That is, you can flash or flash, you can flash a cell phone using octopus FRP2. And number four is octopus FRP2 allows what we call firmware download. So there's a firmware download that is in FRP2. So Octopus FRP2 allows you to download firmware for different models of mobile phones. This is a section for Samsung. This is the download section for Samsung. So you see, there's a lot of Samsung files in this section, and then we go to Nokia. This is the section for Nokia 1 to Nokia 8 all are available, all Nokia files are available. And now we have Sony, we have Huawei, and this is the section, and you see it's a very big section. I haven't seen any other box which have this biggest support of Huawei flagship like Octopus. So we go to functions, we go to supported models. So Octopus FRP2 also supports a lot of models. So this is the drop-down list of supported modules that are supported by Octopus FRP2. So we have a lot of them, but today we're going to speak about a few of them. So we are going to speak about Samsung, Huawei, and LG. But there are a lot of them. So this is the drop-down section of supported models in supported models by Octopus. So there's factory reset, FRP reset, and firmware and right firmware. So those are the supported actions for Huawei, and we're going to see for Samsung what's supported for Samsung. So let us go to see Samsung and see what's supported in Samsung. So here is Samsung, and there are a lot of factors for Samsung. You can see there's a red firmware, there's factory reset, there's the flashback combination, and some which are grayed out here that differs with mode. Samsung operation differs with a model, so some are actually grayed out. So these are the Samsung section, and as you can see, this is the drop-down list for Samsung. It's a very big list. So a lot of phones are supported. I don't want to lie to you guys. This is the basic tool that you can have for. So we're going to see to check ZTE and see how many from test mode to a lot of phones are supported. But you see, sometimes Octopus FRP2 it does support a lot of phones, but unfortunately it does not support one thing that I want to speak about. It does not support removing, it does not unlock network. Number one. Number two, it does not remove, it does not remove privacy protection for phones. It only does FRP resets, flash, you can download demo, and also resets. So those are the four major things that are supported by Octopus FRP. Thank you very much guys for watching my tutorial, and we'll meet you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. I thank you very much guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.